Strange noises, vibration, or loose steering can quickly turn a comfortable drive into a frustrating experience. A worn wheel hub bearing is often the hidden cause, and replacing it with a high-quality component is essential for safety and performance. The MOOG wheel hub assembly is engineered to restore factory-like smoothness while delivering durability you can rely on mile after mile. This hub assembly features an application-specific advanced raceway design that helps reduce internal stress, excessive rotation, and heat buildup during operation. By controlling these critical factors, MOOG significantly extends the service life of the bearing and ensures stable, consistent performance under daily driving conditions. Whether you commute long distances or frequently drive at highway speeds, this design supports quiet operation and confident handling. Installation is designed to be straightforward and efficient. MOOG engineers focus on precise fitment, allowing for fast, hassle-free installation that closely matches original equipment specifications. The coated wheel studs offer strong corrosion protection, resisting rust and making proper torquing easier during installation or future service. An integral raceway design maintains proper clearance between bearing components, supporting smooth rotation and long-term durability. Every MOOG hub assembly goes through rigorous testing throughout the design and development process. This commitment to quality control gives drivers peace of mind, knowing the part is built to perform in real-world conditions. Many users report excellent results after installation, including eliminated noise, improved ride quality, and restored confidence behind the wheel. If you are looking for a dependable replacement that balances performance, longevity, and ease of installation, this MOOG wheel hub assembly is a smart choice. Check the purchase link in the video description to confirm vehicle compatibility and current pricing. Subscribe to the channel to discover more trusted automotive parts and practical solutions to keep your vehicle running smoothly.